Hello everyone, this is Martin Rodriguez, and what I'm going to show you today is something that we call demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns is really simple, really important as well, and really popular. So make sure that you understand, and please feel free to watch the video as many times as you have to. So the demonstrative pronouns, with the demonstrative pronouns, we normally use to show something to indicate also or to point to, and also we use them to introduce friends or family. So we can use, for example, this is Pablo speaking, right? Is that Rosa, right? And that sounds like Raquel. So again, if you see this, that, we're using them as to indicate, to introduce someone or to talk about people. And also the demonstrative pronoun represent thing or things, right? It could be one thing or two things. And also when we use this or this, is something that is near, something that is close, or far is when we use that or those, right? Let me give you the example here. We have that and this. That is something that is far, and this is something that is close. Let me give you an example. Oh, I have this is my pen, right? My marker, excuse me. This is my marker. But again, the marker is far, so that's why when we use far, it's something that you can't touch with your hand, right? So that's why I can tell you that marker is black, right? So remember, this and that is only one. Then when we use those or this, is because the object is plural. So that's why again, these markers mine, right? And you see we have these markers are mine. One is black and the other is blue. So these markers are mine. And also the markers are far, so that's when we use those markers. Okay, so just remember that. And also we have it in Spanish here. So we call them adjetivos demostrativos. This is este o esta, that, aquel, aquella. This is plural, es más de uno. Estos o esta, those, aquellos o aquellas. Remember these, this, that, or those. This is an apple. That is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples, right? And also we have this, that, those, or this. So in this case, we are going to use this, right? Because it's far. So that's those, excuse me, because those, we have two things and are far. And also in this case, we have only one. That's what we are going to use that, right? Remember, when we use that or those, is because we can't touch them, right? And then the next one, we have two. That's when we use this. And then the next one, we have only one, so that's what we use, these, right? And thank you so much. If you have questions, please feel free to send me an email, and I'm more than happy to talk to you. Thank you again.